Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing a racing game and doing the championship. I'm not the best driver, to be. I can go pretty quick. Not the best, but this is the Australian one. I'll put it on the Inter. But the Inters are always really good. Or they're good on the Australian ground, on their track. And gonna jump in. Oh, he comes on a smart turn. I'm coming down at 90 miles an hour. Now I need to go quicker. I'm coming like 130 or more. Look how sharp this turn is. And he's still fastling it. I'm going to throw it down as fast as he can. I'm still going to come. And these Intertypes make you go so quick. I'm on round 3. This is going to be cool. I haven't won one. I haven't finished in the top 10 in one of them. There's 2 races. These coming in. I'm trying to not make as much noise, but you got to turn. So I'm just going to turn it lightly. Because it makes so much noise. And another track. This has got a good view. This game. It's nice realistic. The thing is, with this game, I think needs a bit better. Is they need to make like you get more laps to do. You have to come into pit stops. So like they could make the races but like more laps. That would be really cool. That's a really quick time. This one. That one lap. So it still puts me 27 seconds behind. Dude, this is a quick game. You know, these people get quick, and I'm like slow. Like, we got to stop. Why me? I go so quick. In a different view. So this is me in the cockpit. Driver. I actually kind of like this view. This is a really good one. I'm going to turn. Feels it might actually easier. Oh. This one is. And coming down, I'm going to go zoom, 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 zoom. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell and like so you never miss another video. Subscribe. I'm in the battle against my friend Hugo Boss Lane. Hugo Lane and Boss, and he's on 6. I'm on 9. I need to get to 10 subscribers. Jeez, I'm driving bad. I am this one. Oh, that's a quicker one. Quicker one. That puts me in at 15 seconds. Need to catch up. Drives it quick. There we go. That's a better one. Well, that's kind of like a bit of better. You're gonna fly. Oh, that's not. That's not. I broke down. No, I didn't. I could still go pretty quick. I'm not the best at this. Yeah, I broke down. Now I gotta restart it now. I broke down. Now I can see the ghosts. Cars. I can see different people. Inter, of course. Go. Now I can see the ghost people's one. See their cars, I think. Come on, we're going faster. We're not moving at all. I think you see the ghost cars. There's the ghost cars. Where are the ghost cars? Because I might be beating them. And it's a smart. This one. I never usually finish last. I only finished last on one of them because I had a major crash issue with one. And I'm going to go so quick and hopefully I can not start last in this one. Really quick. It goes so quick. Fastest time. 1:19 on the person from up here. I need to beat that so I can get first place spot. I'm going so quick. I'm lightning fast. I'm faster than the Flash. I'm not faster than the Flash. That guy's so quick. Or Sonic. But Flash is the fastest in the world. He's only faster than Sonic. Sonic's pretty fast too. But what's your favourite kind of movie? Mine's all the super good movies. Now I just distracted myself. Come on, let's go really quick. It's a bad time, this one. 1:49, 29 seconds behind this time. It was so fast. I'm always gonna keep it down on that one. On my thing there. Where that blue is, down bottom right. It was so quick. It's always holding that down. So I'm going really quick. No one can beat me. Come on. At least got to quick start last. Here we go. Meow, meow, meow. Oh yeah, this could be a quick time. This one, we're just going to throw it all down. It could have just been a really high spot. Put me in a high spot. Just let's get past section 3. When we've done section 3. Not that far, section 3. In section 3. We've been there for like 10 seconds, or maybe like, 20. So here's the end up, just up and across this turn. Here we go, just throw it down as quickly as you can. Yes. Oh, there's the ghost. There's a ghost cutter there. I'm trying to take that. Zoom. Take it up. We're going to take it round, turn around and stick around. 11 seconds off that. These cars do get quick. Zoom. So quick. Daddle dee daddle die. I will crush the zoom. I will die. No, going pretty slow. My tires are maybe too cold. My wheels are almost broken. To get around that one really quick. Turn. To turn early, I didn't have to turn. So I can get a lot of speed off if I turn a bit early. Maybe if I turn now, get a bit early. Maybe off a bit too early. So now it's good timing. See there off there, the ghost? It gives me more speed. So if I come out on the outside and back on side to the inside, be better for me. I'm going to ride up on here in my fast tyres. That's the other ghost. I turned too late there. Now can I go quick? You went through those turns very quickly. Well, they are quick turns, those ones. Okay, I'm just going to get right through these. And turn. And turn, double dee double die. I'm also quicker, faster than you. Then out and in, and then up. You need to be really quick on your turns. Turn there. That's good, this one. That's a long turn, so you don't need to turn it that much. Then even on this one, you don't need to turn that much. It'll just glide you around, and there you got to turn it quite a bit, so it tricks you. So that one you're going to turn, then you're going to go another one. That was a bit quicker, you're going to be in, out. And then into the inside. And then from the outside to the inside, it gets you off your lot. It gives you less of the time. This is good for you. Come on, slow. Go so slow. Go faster. Faster. Last lap, we got to make this one the fastest one. Come on. Let's keep in front of that. This could be a really quick one. In front of that ghost. We could make this a really quick lap. Maybe first place. It could be. It could be first place. Maybe not. This is like a bit later. It could be. I'll see. If I beat first place in this lap, it could be quickest. I could get first down, so I'm going to hold it down the whole way. Hold it down. Really quick on those turns. Really quick in these turns. And in. Straight away. Out. Come on. A bit more of a turn. I'm almost done up here. This is the last lap. In front. I could be finishing first. Look, go so slow. Okay, fast. Go, pump up on warm. I'm going to pull it down and force it. Where did I put it? Last. Enter. Yeah, I finished last, of course. Get your tyres warmed. 72 degrees. Come on. Let's see a bit behind so they go crashing. But I think I'm going to go on the outside to turn in the 18th position. I'm going to go around you. It's kind of hard. Maybe not so hard. Move it! This could be the best I've been thrown out. So, that's the best I could do. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Subscribe.